see how they do it. They finna do it. Oh, this your car, man? Huh? This your car? Yeah. For real? Yep, for what real. Year is it? I can do like an interview on it? That's 1970. 1970? Yeah, Buick Grand Sport. How long you had it? I've had it a long time. For real? You redid the interior in it? Yeah. Man, they got the original motor? Yeah. It's been rebuilt. Oh, it's been rebuilt? Yeah, it's 455. 455, old motor. Oh yeah, nah, Buick. Hey man, that thing is clean, man. Got the exhaust going on, man. Man, I'm wondering who's gonna drive it out. I know who's gonna drive it out. Oh yeah, you can't go in there, that's true. Oh, this way? They say you gotta be this way. This way. Seen nothing this man. They got the house still It's clean. Look out. with it, man. I need to see what year this truck is. What year is that truck? 54? Or Chevy 54? One time for the one time, man. Going down up here at Summit. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.